That sound though. Okay. Hey guys, it's Kat and I'm back for another video. We are unboxing the new MacBook Pro 14-inch. I'm too excited, so we're unboxing it right here, right now in my car. It's raining outside. Let's just do it now. Do you hear this? I'm in a storm. Throw on the back seat. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what we got inside first. We've got our little book. Then we have our charger. And then this little guy. I think this video is ultimate ASMR because we've got the sounds of the rain and sounds of Apple unboxing. There's nothing better than that. Alrighty, here we go for the most exciting part. Wow. She's pretty. It's actually pretty heavy, not gonna lie. That sound though! Okay. Wow. 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 You know what? I actually almost forgot that there was no touch bar. That just turned on so quickly. Apple. Guys, look. Hello. Hello. Oh, I'm so excited to start typing. The sounds, I love it. Should I just set it up right here, right now? I think I can connect to Wi-Fi from my car. Wow, if you can see, of course you can. Look at it, literally goes all the way to the edge. I didn't think that a 14-inch would be big enough, but like, this is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Let's set it up. Connect to my Wi-Fi. Continue. I'm just obsessed. There's a rainstorm happening around me, but let me just show you guys closer up of what it looks like. The side. Other side. And the bottom. Alright, I should go inside and set it up for real. Anyways, I will be making a video of my first impressions, how I customize it, because I know you guys love to see how I make it look super cute. And yeah, I'm so excited. Bye! Thanks for watching another one of my videos. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love my content. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram to see all the behind the scenes of my life, what I'm up to, and my unboxings, tech hacks, you know it. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.